Configuring order fulfillment responsibility. To learn about how an order fulfillment manager configures order fulfillment responsibility, follow this interactive video. So to see the list of pages for the order fulfillment management space, open the drop down that you have there, and looking for an order fulfillment management. So you search occasional activity and then open the app configure order fulfillment responsibility tiers. Order fulfillment order fulfill. Configure order fulfillment responsibilities. To select an editing statue, open the list. In editing statue, select all. So select all, and then choose go. Choose mass create. So there is nothing. Choose mass create. To select a split criterion, open the list. Select plant. Okay, keep plant. In the default horizon field, enter 3 and press enter. Default horizon 3. So we keep include cells order. Ignore change request. Okay. And click on choose create responsibilities. Okay. Then choose create. In the responsibility name field, enter responsibility. So PDS G1GW 1GW 1GW is the name of the scope item, and the PDS is a customer for which I do this demonstration. In the responsibility field, enter test responsibility. Test responsibility 1GW for PDS. And press enter. Okay. In the default horizon field, enter 3 and press enter. To select a selection attribute, open the list in the criterion 1. So I okay, I select the plant. To search for the value, open the input help. You have all the plant available. Select 1010, or for example US plant. choose user assignment, choose create, to search for an assigned user, open the input field. Choose go, and you have the list. As select, for example, Deng Yahoo. So in this case, I select myself. It's a no, okay, assign user. Okay. Click on apply, choose apply, and choose save. So general information, okay. Legacy responsibility definition. So as you can see, you can add condition like this, or you can, for example, add criteria. So you have the first selection condition planned, or selection planned is 1010. So when we have user assignment, business task, legal responsibility definition, and general information, and I click on create. So the responsibility you created display with the entry you choose, and to take more changes, you can edit the entry. You have right now successfully configured order fulfillment responsibility. So if I have a look like this, user implement, I just have to click on the edit. And if I have a look, I see responsibility name for plant and test responsibility for plant. Or you have, okay? And I think everything is good. Okay, goodbye.